Hello, today we're going to download Java and Eclipse. Java is the environment we're programming in. It's also the name of the language, yeah. But we're gonna download the Java so that your program can actually run, because without Java, your program will not run. Eclipse is what's called an IDE, an integrated development environment. Basically, it's like a text editor, but it allows for a lot more control over how you edit the program. It also like dynamically will show you errors and, well, not errors, it'll show you syntax errors specifically, and give you warnings about like different parts of the program. So they're both very useful. You could also just write Java using text files and text edit or Notepad, but that would be pretty difficult, and Eclipse makes it a lot easier. I know there are probably better IDEs like Atom, maybe Visual Studio in some people's opinions, but I like Eclipse just fine. Maybe if you already know how to get it, if you already have another editor like Atom or Visual Studio, or you want to get another editor, you can get another editor. Java will most likely work more or less the same on any editor, so it'll be fine. So I'm going to search up JDK 1.8 because we're going to use 1.8 for our programming. And here we go to the downloads. So there's one Mac OS link. I'm not sure why there are more, but I'm going to click the Windows link here. And you have to sign in to Oracle in order to download. I already have an account. It'll ask you for like your company and stuff. I don't think those are too important. You can write a company if you have a company, but overall, you just need to give like the essentials to this account, and you can just download it once you make the account. So here we have our JDK fully downloaded. I mean, not our JDK, our JDK's installer fully downloaded. So what the installer is just what basically sets up everything on your computer and downloads all the necessary files and the necessary locations, changes the necessary like environmental variables, etc. So you can read the license agreement if you want to. I mean, a lot of people don't read the license agreement, which is kind of a bad habit, so you should read it. But if you don't, I mean, they're not asking you to sell over your soul or anything, so it's okay. I'm not gonna mess with this. This is how you where the program will download. If you know where in the file system, like C program files, Java is like the location in the file system the program will download to. These are the tools that will be downloaded. I'm not gonna mess with that because I don't want anything missing from my Java when I download it. You don't need to click next steps because it'll tell you like API, tutorials, etc. But you don't need those because this is a tutorial for you. So yeah. So now we've got Java downloaded. So now you can go to Eclipse and download Eclipse. And yeah, just click the main link. You can also click up here. I'm not sure why there's two places. I'll just click up here. So I think the link will change depending on which computer you have. Like mine, it says instawin64.exe because this is a Windows computer. So we're gonna do the Eclipse IDE for Java developers. seeing as we're not going to be programming in C++ or JavaScript. And this is the location where it'll download to. You can change that if you want to, but it's not necessary. And if you do this one, so when you click down here, you'll be able to find it. Like for example, look, this is Java, but you'll be able to find it if you select, create start menu entry, and if you select create desktop shortcut, it'll show up on your desktop. So of course, you should probably read through this if you're planning to make money off of what you write on Eclipse, or but if you're just using it for education, I mean, like I said, they're not asking you to sell over your soul or anything, so it's fine if you just skip through it. Don't tell anyone I said that, because you're not supposed to skip through license agreements. But yeah. And now we've downloaded it. Launch will open Eclipse. You'll see this for a little while, and then you'll see this. And we'll go over what this is in the next video. Thank you for watching.